Lamona 8631 dishwasher stuck on pump out cycle.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. If the dishwasher is just pumping out all the time, then the anti-flood switch in the base will be activated as water will have leaked into the base. What you need to do is remove the wooden plinth at the bottom of the kitchen, and then you can remove the metal inspection cover at the bottom below the door. From there you need to drain the water out from the base. Once the water is out, the anti-flood switch will reset itself and will stop the pump from running all the time. Then retry it and see how it goes from there. If it does it again, then there is a water leak in there which you will need to pull out and find. But fingers crossed, it may just be an overflow which caused this, and draining the water out from the bottom cures it. If you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
Hi, the machine is dry. It pumps water out until all water is out and then continues to pump in a dry machine. The machine is not flooded.
Hi, okay, so you have already checked the bottom base unit. If it's dry, then check the anti-flood switch itself in the base. It will have a polystyrene float in there inside a round gray plastic chamber. Check the wiring on there, as this can burn and cause the same fault here. Let me know what you find. Regards.
Thank you. XXXXXXXXXX, it worked.
Hi, nice one, glad to hear you sorted it and thanks for letting me know. If you could rate the answer I gave, that would be great. Many thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.